So this is the last day of the BusinessSight Mentor Workshop. I'm here with Laura. It's May 2019. Laura's been doing the workshop since November last year with her partner Damien from Cloud Tech Electrical. So can you tell us what are a couple of the main things you got out of the BusinessSight Mentor Workshop?
I think the main thing would be the presenters that presented during the workshop.
In what way?
They just had so much to give, and I had so much to learn, which is probably my second point, that I definitely have come in and I've learned so much about myself, about my partner's business, about what we need to do, and although I feel like we have a step up on what on starting the business, as we're in starting up the business, but I feel like we're ahead. So we're ahead, and we've just got so far to go.
So just going back with the presenters. So when you signed up, you would have had some sort of expectation, or or maybe you didn't have you didn't know, but so it's the last day of the workshop now. It's November, December, January, February, March, April, May. If you look at yourself now thinking about the presenters, and you think about yourself in November, what's changed? What's made you say that they're one of the two things that's great?
So I had no idea what I was getting myself into, to be honest. I'd only come to a few of the meetings between you and Damien, but I know once Damien had decided that he wanted to do it, I was I was on board. And the finances and the SEOs and the partnerships and LinkedIn and all this stuff that I really didn't have any knowledge about. And now going through the course, speaking to all of them, not just in the workshop, but personally afterwards, making phone calls to them, which is really good. I mean, they're personable. You can call them anytime. They make you feel comfortable as well. Asking if you have a stupid question, they're open to it. It's really promising. Yeah, and it's been a journey.
Excellent.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
thank you very much.
Congratulations.